I have here first your Night. Is the Night Lance? Yeah, this is the Night Lance. The Night. Am I right? Night Lance or Night Shield? Am I right, man? Yeah. Yeah, this is the Night Lance. Okay, this is the Night Lance. So it's very nice. It's a gold one. So the next one. So if we have the Night Lance, I also ordered the gold Night Shield right here. It's also a 3. I think it's also a 360, but it's a. I don't know if it's that a ball. It's not a ball, right? I don't know what's that. Okay. So next, let's have the Golden Dransword. I already have a Golden Dransword, but I give it to my nephews. Okay, the Dransword nephew is the gold Hell Sight. They don't have the even the Dransword right here. The bit is needle. It's not the flat one, so you will not have the correct combos of this one if you bought them on this kind of golden